It is August, and we're here to share with you the August box. Woo! So if you're a new subscriber, your recipe box comes inside your big bonus box. You also get a big bonus box after 6 months of subscribing.
Yep.
So once this beautiful box arrives at your door, feels like Christmas, open it up.
There's your recipe box.
You'll find your recipe box. So in this month's recipe box, you're gonna get your labels, 6 toxin-free recipes created by certified aromatherapists, so you know they're safe.
And used by us too.
You'll get cotton rounds for cucumber face mask, spray bottle, and 2 paperboard lip balm containers.
Those are super cute.
You'll also get 4 full-size essential oils, grapefruit, juniper berry, citrus burst, which is one of my favorite essential oil blends, and copaiba.
All right. And then for new subscribers, and as Katie said before, every 6 boxes that you purchase, we throw in a free bonus box. So the bonus box comes with all the contents you're going to need for the next 6 months worth of recipes. Comes with a solid coconut oil, a fractionated coconut oil, an almond oil, a beeswax, 6 of the 10 milliliter roll-ons, and then 5 of the 5 milliliter amber bottles so you can make all of your recipes.
Yep, so the big bonus box gets used to create your monthly box recipes, and we give you enough in there to make 6 months worth of recipes. My favorite recipe in this month's box is sweet citrus lip balm. It comes with this adorable, 2 adorable lip balm containers that you can push up from the bottom. It's great for summertime when you're outside all the time and the sun and weather is hard on your lips. This helps your lips recover, and I love the sweet aroma of it.
And my favorite is the Sweet Lips Exfoliating Scrub, because my lips get super dry and they peel sometimes because of the sun. So this guy will get rid of that so I can wear some really fun lipstick this summer.
The theme of this box is Hey Beautiful. We are taking a toxin-free spin on taking care of your skin. Check out this box at simplyearth.com/box.
And make sure you hit the subscribe now button
to make your home toxin-free.
See you later.
My favorite recipe in this month's box is